Welcome to my channel. I'm Gary Uriawan, and today is just another quick chat. I want to talk about law of diminishing return, especially related to photography gear. Last time we were talking about gear acquisition syndrome, and today we're going to talk about law of diminishing return, which I think is also related to gear acquisition syndrome. So let's head down to it. So let's say you're considering a new camera gear, whether it's a new camera or a new lens. Most people will definitely think if it is more expensive, then it will be better. However, the fact is there's a certain threshold on the price range where if you spend more than that threshold, you won't get any significantly better product. So it's almost like wasting your money. And this threshold on the price range might be different for different kind of people. For example, if you're a beginner photographer, then the threshold might be near the budget end of price range. So cheaper camera bodies, beginner entry-level camera bodies, that kind of stuff. These beginner photographers, they will be okay with something that's not really that expensive because they don't really need those fancy features anyway, and they're just happy with good image quality. But for some people, especially professional photographers who really make money from doing photography, might have this threshold really near the top end of the price range. They really need all that features that they can get so they can have a better photography workflow, or it will make their photography easier, especially in a serious paid gig kind of situation. But for most people, including me, hobbyist photographer, enthusiast photographer, not really doing serious commercial photography or that kind of stuff, I think the threshold of this price range really lies in the middle between the budget and the high-end price range. So what I really want to say in today's video is that by learning about the law of diminishing return, we can all, me and you, learn about what is good enough for us. Learning about our own good enough, I think, will be very beneficial for us. We don't really need to spend tons of money to get great camera gear. We just need to know where our priorities are. What do we really value from a piece of camera gear? And by learning about our good enough, I think we can avoid overspending on a new camera gear. For me personally, good enough isn't just about the sensor size, about the image quality, about the autofocus speed, about the image processing capabilities. No, it's not just about that. It's also about the experience with the camera. How intuitive is the camera to use, like for everyday kind of situation, and then how can I have fun with this camera and also avoid any kind of frictions when I'm out and about doing photography. That's my own personal good enough. So yeah, what I really want to say in this video is that after doing photography as a hobby for more than 11 years, I finally realized that more expensive camera gear doesn't always mean better shooting experience. We all gotta find our good enough threshold on that price range for camera gear to finally be able to start enjoying photography and focusing on photography. So yeah, in conclusion, I hope that this video will be a great reminder for us all, not just you but also me, to find our own personal good enough and don't get tempted by the latest and greatest. And being able to find that good enough spot, I think, will help us to finally start focusing on photography, stop worrying about gear, and start having fun taking pictures and doing what matters the most, taking the best picture and enjoying our photography hobby. So that's all for today's quick chat. I hope that today's video is informative, entertaining, and also useful as well. So let's have a discussion together, and please comment down below what really defines your good enough when it comes to photography gear. Alright, so also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel further, consider using the affiliate links or using the super thanks button down below. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.